Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up 7x Proxy VPN for a secure and stable internet connection. This app helps improve network performance and overall connectivity. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video so you don't miss future tutorials. Now, let's begin. First, open any browser on your phone such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type SSH UDP online and tap search. From the results, open the official website SSH UDP online. Make sure you choose the correct site to stay safe. Once the website loads, go to the VPN download section and scroll through the list of available apps. Find 7x Proxy VPN and tap on it. Press the download button and wait for the installation to complete. After installing, tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, tap the menu icon at the top and select Check Updates to refresh the app resources. Next, choose a server from the server selection box. You can select any working server, but I recommend leaving it on auto-select server location so the app automatically picks the best option. Then tap the network box and search for UDP. From the results, select all country UDP. If UDP does not work in your region, choose another available network. Finally, tap the Start button. After a few seconds, the VPN will connect successfully, allowing you to browse the internet with better speed and privacy. That's how you can easily set up and use 7x Proxy VPN. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.